oh my God, nahulog yung mom ko. Tapos yung band member na to, tumawa.
Hi, we are Lola Moore, and you're tuned into
Easy Ride.
I'm Angelo, and a fun fact about our band is may isa kaming band member na iniwan siya nung baby siya ng parent niya sa beach. Tapos nagkaroon siya ng sunburn. Na ngayon, mukha na siyang birthmark.
Yes, me!
May isa kaming member, nagka-fever dahil nagbabad siya sa swimming pool sa sunburn niya.
Ayaw mag-sunblock. Meron kami isang band member na nag-audition para maging radio DJ dati. Maganda ba yung audition, no?
Hindi siya maganda. Never to be seen ever again.
May isa kaming band member. Okay, so dalawang band member to. Tapos nagkakwento yung isang band member. Sa band member na to, sinabi niya, oh my God, nahulog yung mom ko. Tapos yung band member na to, tumawa.
May isa kaming band member, fun fact, nag-post siya ng Dota game para mag-piano lessons.
What?
BRB, piano lessons muna ako.
May isa kaming band member. Minor siya sa drums actually. Or percussion sa college niya.
Jeff? Yeah.
Embarrassing.
Wow!
Raro!
May isa kaming band member na kakabili lang ng sewing kit. Para siya na yung magiging, magka-crop ng mga tops ko. And my curtains, and my bed sheets.
Hi, we are Lola Moore! Please stream Dance With My Mistakes. It is out now on all digital streaming platforms. And it is being played all over the place sa mga radio. So, please stream and support. And see you guys sa mga future shows namin. Remember someone today with Lola Moore!
See ya!
See you!
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too. Links are in the description below.